me Cardi B, I run this shit like cardio. I'm in district in the chain.
Hello everyone, welcome to HitPaw Edimakor. Do you also want to create videos with multiple boyfriends or girlfriends to post on your social media, prank your friends, and show off your charm? Do you want to know how those viral boyfriend and girlfriend videos on TikTok are made? Next, I'll show you how to easily achieve these video effects using AI effects. Before we begin, please install Edimakor on your computer, which is a powerful AI video editing software. Open HitPaw Edimakor on your desktop, then create a new project. Go to AI Video and select the AI Effects function. Then choose the My Boyfriends effect. Import your image and select Video Settings, then click Generate. Now we can view our creation.
Darling, I'm falling, fucked up over you.
Similarly, we can also create more girlfriends. We just need to select the My Girlfriend special effect and repeat the previous operation.
Call me Cardi B, I run this shit like cardio.
If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. Happy editing! See you next time.